The EONIX Lift Recliner SLRY006063 is designed for ultimate comfort, featuring a dual motor system that allows smooth adjustments to a maximum angle of 175 degrees. This recliner is particularly beneficial for the elderly, as it includes a counterbalanced lifting mechanism that helps users stand up without straining their knees or backs. The chair offers a variety of reclining modes, including memory, sleep, and TV modes, and allows independent adjustment of the backrest and footrest for personalized relaxation. The recliner is equipped with heat and massage functions, featuring 8 vibration massage nodes and a lumbar heat zone to provide soothing relief. The chair is made with OEKO-TEX certified fabrics and an FSC-certified wooden frame, ensuring both comfort and sustainability. Assembly of the recliner is straightforward, taking as little as 15 minutes with the detailed instructions provided, although it is recommended to have 2 people for easier setup.